This is the first flight with my Turbo Timber Evolution in about a month and a half. My last time I crashed it, and so I had to rebuild it. Finally got it finished today. Had a new body, same wing. Let's see what happens. We got the flaps down, armed, full rates, on safe, at least because of the first flight. Let's see how we do. Ooh. Hey, it's up. I'm flying on the Spectrum 2S.
Flaps up.
300 milliamp. Looking good. Let's fly it right towards me and see how it behaves. A little bit of wind. Okay. Seems to be trimmed out pretty well. Let's take it around a little bit more. That's full throttle.
6 minutes.
That's full bank with safe. Same the other way. Little up elevator. Come back half throttle. Pretty happy. Good repair. The only thing I'm missing, decals. The blue paint was there, but not the black trim. Definitely can cruise slow. Let's see if I can, how slow I can bring it by.
Landing mode on. Flaps up.
Pretty sky tonight. So people are walking their dogs coming into my field. It's okay, I'll just avoid them. Go up a little higher and kick it in there.
Safety off.
See how it flies. Pretty good. Loops, nice. Roll. Another loop here, a little bigger. Kicking in the safe for the rest of the flight. Just want to check it out. Everything seems to be working. I'm pretty happy. Maybe need just a touch of down elevator. Touch. It's about half throttle, and into the wind it is gaining, so that's pretty typical. Wind's pushing it just a hair to the left there.
Safety off.
pretty plane. The lights are great. I used the Turbo Timber light kit on my UMX Consendo. Looks great, especially at night. Battery's getting a little low.
1 minute.
And just about a minute. Yeah, probably about right. Going into that wind, still gaining altitude. Pretty clouds. Very happy with the repair. Happy to have my Turbo Timber Evolution, my UMX Turbo Timber Evolution back.
30 seconds.
Flying great and safe, flies great in AS3X.
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see if we can bring it
Flaps
down. Probably only need one touch of flaps here. We'll go around one more time. Wind's kind of at my back, so it is a little bit of a crosswind here. Still a little bit high. I'll have to do it again. Floating. Guess I'm just enjoying the flying tonight. Just glad I have it back. Get back to used to flying this plane. Excellent.
Disarm.